Hey, what is going on, guys? Your boy Serrano back with another video. Now, I've had the LG Stylo 6 for about 6 months now. This is a device I've had for roughly 6 months. So time they gave it a black box instead of that white one. I remember I purchased this tempered glass with it. I still didn't use the brick or the cord. Turn this device on, and we're gonna go ahead and see. What to do is go to the Metro by T-Mobile app. And it's gonna have this button right here where it says unlock. Now, if you guys know, if you guys are phone heads, you know that when on Metro by T-Mobile, when you have your phone for 6 months, it used to be 3, you could perform an unlock on the device and you could use it outside of Metro by T-Mobile. So let's do it. Let's try, see if it still works with this device. So it says permanently unlock the device through the app after 6 months. Let's just give it a try. I think it's been about 6 months now since I've had this device. It says requesting the unlock, and it says unlock has been approved. Wow, that's pretty quick. So it says your unlock has been approved. To apply these settings, you must restart the device. Let's restart now. Okay, so we're gonna reset the device, guys. Wait for it to load back up. The Metro by T-Mobile logo was appearing on the device. It said that it was unlocked really quick. After 6 months, you have to wait though. You can't do it any sooner. I wish it was sooner, but you know, now in this scenario, you can unlock it, use it outside of Metro. You could use it with different SIM cards or sell it to somebody and they could use it on their SIM card. You know, after 6 months of using a phone, it's a good amount of time to fill the phone out, see if you like it, see if you want to return it, sell it on you know, the Facebook market or eBay, or it's one of your family members or friends. You could pass it down to somebody you don't that needs a phone. But overall, I think this method is pretty cool because it allows you to do something else with the phone, switch to another phone or something like that. But so far this device has been pretty decent. I definitely like the stylus on here. That's one of my favorite parts about it, but I'm also excited that I can still use it with other carriers. So this is just something that you should note. If you do have the LG Stylo 6 and you've used it for about 6 months of time, it's gonna let you unlock the device. So it did say unlock the device already. It's already unlocked. The app is there still. It will be there still, but there's nothing else that you need to do. All you would need to do now is take your SIM card out and put whatever SIM card you want to use in it, such as a GSM like Cricket, you know, like any phone carrier that accepts SIM cards, AT&T, things of that nature. But this device is now unlocked, so I think that's pretty cool. So there's no way to check it after you've done it. You just got to do it, and you could try to test it with another SIM card, but once it says approve, you're good to go. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll get right back with you. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening. Later, crew. Peace.